welcome back to Carl is on it. Right now I'm currently shouting because we're on an expressway, as you can see. So basically we're going to be doing 0 to 60 times just to see what the car is like. It's not a 700 brake horsepower car, but it's just nice to see what difference it has made now with the new exhaust. So yes, I'm going to do it in 3 different ways. So number 1 is with the roof completely up. Number 2 is going to be with the roof completely down. Number 3 is going to be with the roof down with the windows up. So we'll test and see how fast this car does the 0 to 60. Now I'm going to jump in the car now. I'm going to talk about what its current time is, what it's been recorded. Well, not really recorded, but what BMW claim is a 0 to 60. So yeah, bear me in a moment. Let's go. Right, people. So those of you that are new to the channel, this car has got a quad exhaust system. It's actually just a back box delete, but with quad exhaust tips. So initially, as soon as I installed that, it gave the car a much more sort of torquey sort of feel. And I think the brake horsepower improved, probably about 5 brake horsepower. Probably I'd say about 20 newton meters, 10 newton meters of torque increase. But you could actually just sort of feel it. And also the better, there's so much more of a sort of a thrill factor when you just hear the car more to life, like listen to that. Oh my gosh. But yeah, anyway, this is a closed off area. It's like a industrial estate, so there's no one who sort of lives here. But anyway, so yeah, it's got a quad exhaust system on there, and that's what's giving it, I believe, a bit more of a punch. Now I would like to sort of see the 0 to 60 times to see if it actually is faster than what is claimed from BMW, what they say. Now the automatic, this is also an automatic that has semi-auto basically, but yeah, it'd be nice just to sort of see how fast it is now compared to what BMW claims the 0 to 60 speed is. Anyway, let me go and show you the quad exhaust system. So just hopped out of the car now. I'm going to show you now what the quad exhaust look like. So we've got 2 pipes here, and we've got 2 pipes over there as well. And there's also the back box has been cut out and replaced with this and welded with a stainless steel pipe. So I'd say there's a bit of weight saved on that as well, and also the car feels a bit more torquey, so it gives the engine a bit more space to breathe. Yeah. So right now I'm on Parker's car comparison tool, and Parker's pulled their information from the actual manufacturer, and so they have a lot of information you can sort of compare cars with and all that sort of thing. So right now I'm comparing the 1 Series convertible with automatic. So this is the exact model my one is. It's the M Sport Auto, and with the 120i M Sport manual. And thing is, the automatic is 0.6 seconds. No, the manual is 0.6 seconds faster than the automatic. But the automatic is just an all-round cruiser, and I absolutely love it. So you can see the difference there. So that's the manual. This is the 0 to 60 times. Hopefully you guys can see it. Well, I'm going to try and zoom in a bit more so you guys can see it. There we go. So that's the 0 to 60 times, which is, so for auto it's 8.7 seconds. This is absolutely stock with nothing done to the car. And also to mention as well, the car is brand new. This is based on like when the car's brand new out of the factory. And then you got one for the manual. This is 8.1 seconds, so that's 0.6 seconds quicker. So yeah, so we're going to do a comparison test to see how fast the cars go. Well, this car goes, and then we can go from there. Also, people, let me know what times you got for your 1 Series or whatever car you have, your 3 Series, or if, say for instance, if your car was slower than the actual time or if it was quicker than the actual time. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Right, people, let's get this engine started up. So the engine's already warm at the moment. We've got a nice clear road ahead, so we're going to put our foot down and test the speed. So let's put some I'm gonna try and get like some launch control, put it in manual shift mode. Right, so it's on gear 1, ready. Okay, road's clear, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Brakes are so strong as well. My gosh, so I'm not sure how fast that was, but you guys are gonna have to check that out. So That run was with the roof completely on, so I'm going to deactivate traction control. So now that's completely deactivated. Get myself set up nicely. Right, let's get this one. This is part 2. So this was with traction control off as well. Build some revs, go. My goodness. So people, leave comments down below of how fast that was, because I just want to see if my timing's right. Check you guys' timing just to cross check. And yeah, so that was round 2 with the roof completely up and windows completely up as well. So yeah, next is now I'm going to do it with the roof completely down, so we'll see how fast that is. Alrighty people, it's now time. As you can hear, the roof is now currently opening up, so you won't probably be able to hear me as much, but oh well. So we're now going to put the roof completely up, seatbelt's coming back on, and we're going to get this show rolling. Right, let's get ready to do this. Windows down as well. Windows are completely down too, so that's another factor. Next I'm going to put the windows up and see how the difference really is 0 to 60. Anyway, manual shift mode, build some revs, go. Wow. I think definitely with the roof up felt, I don't know, I think the roof down feels faster, but obviously that's just down to it being more thrilling, I guess. But yeah, that was nice. It's a good tester to see. Yeah, let's now put the windows up and then do a run from there, see how that goes. Okay people, I'm now putting my windows up. So the windows are completely up now, but the roof is still down. So let's see how the difference between that is now, 0 to 60. Right, in 3, 2, 1. My gosh, that was nice. That was nice. Anyway people, that's the end of that video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below of your 0 to 60 times of whatever car you have, your 1.2s, 123D, 135i, 120, 116, I don't really mind. Just leave those comments down below. Stay tuned for more videos as well. There's also some mods coming into the car too as well, so stay tuned for that. And people, I shall see you again soon. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video on my brother's 530D tune. It's got about 500 Newton meters of torque as well, so we're just going to get that set up, and then I'm going to run that car for a week. That'd be nice to just, you know, switch cars for a bit. And yeah, anyway people, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.